With the 13th example, and what is said here, the stopping potential for an electron emitted from a photosensitive surface illuminated by a light of wavelength 491 angstrom is this much, 0.7 volt. When incident wavelength is changed to a new wavelength 1.4 volt, the new wavelength would be okay. So as we know very well, the stopping potential is nothing but the difference between the energy of a photon and the work function of the photosensitive surface. And also we know that when we take this in electron volt, so this can be equal to 12430 upon lambda in angstrom. So first of all we should convert this given lambda in angstrom, so which is 4910 angstrom. Now I can make the first equation. If the stopping potential is 0.71 electron volt, so it will be 12430 upon 4910 minus 12430 upon lambda naught, that is equation 1, and 1.43 volt for the new wavelength, let that wavelength be lambda, minus 12430 upon the threshold wavelength, that is equation 2. Now on solving equation 1 and 2, let's solve. If you do equation 2 minus equation 1, so in that case we can cancel this lambda as not as here. So let's take this bit. So it will be 1.43 minus 0.71 is equal to 12430 upon lambda minus 12430 upon lambda naught minus 12430 upon 4910 minus become plus 12430 upon lambda naught. So this negative and this positive will get cancelled out. Now 1.43 minus 0.71, this subtraction comes out to be 3.22, as you can check in the rough work. 1.43 minus 0.71, so 3 minus 1 will be 2, and 1.4 minus 0.7 would be 0.7. So I have mistaken here. So this would be 0.72 is equal to 12430 upon lambda minus 1243. I can write this as 1243 upon 491, 0 get cancelled. Now for this particular ratio 1243 upon 491, I will take in rough and I will write that 12.43 upon 4.91. I have taken decimal places after 2 digit in both numerator and denominator, and approximately I will round it off. This 12.43 can be written as 12.5, 4.91 can be written as 5. So approximately this result comes out to be 2.5. So here this is 2.5. This minus 2.5 will come on this side, it becomes plus 2.5. So 0.72 plus 2.5. 0.72 plus 2.5, so it will be 2. 7 plus 5, 12, 2. 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3. 3.22. So that comes out to be 3.22. So finally, the equation becomes 3.22 is equal to 12430 upon lambda. So lambda comes out to be 12430 upon 3.22. Okay. And now approximately if I start solving this, okay, so if I start solving this say by 3, so it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, and again 3 3s are 9, and so on, and this will be 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3, again 3 4s are 12, and 3 3s are 9, say approximately. So it will be 1.03, and if I round this off, I will take this as 4143 divided by 1.1, or this is number here in the denominator, the number is more than 1. Okay, so 1.1. So here, so that would be 41430 upon 11, and directly we can start with 11. So 11 3s are 33, and 41 minus the 3. So 11 3s are 33. So what remain here is 84. Now 11 7s are 84, so it will be 11 7s are 88. So what remain here would be 6. Okay, so 11 5s are 55. Okay, and 11 5s are 55, and then what remain here would be 8 7s are 77 in angstrom. So in nanometer it will be 375.7 in nanometer. Now if you see the options here, see here the only option which is close to 375.7 is 3.82. So the correct answer to this question is 382 nanometer, that we can say. Thank you.